Happy Friday night, everybody. Welcome to the weekend, but that lofted too much. And the dunk! Watch that steal, beautiful job. Puts it down. Up front. Another dunk. Timeout. Beautiful job, Howard.
Set for the state finals this weekend. We look back at our high school sports play of the week, brought to you by UR Medicine Sports Med. It comes from the state qualifier game in Wellsville. And check out Max Jusianic here getting the feed for the slam. Take another look. Jusianic going way up for the dunk. And the UR Medicine Sports Medicine play. Let's show you what happened. The play brought to you by UR Medicine Sports Medicine. Wellsville and Franklin. Wellsville tries to beat the buzzer. They get it into the hands of Max Jusianic, and he buries it before the buzzer, setting off the celebration. Take another look. Jusianic and Wellsville get the win, and the UR Medicine Sports Medicine Play of the Week. And hey, could the Mets Play of the Week, and it's brought to you as always by UR Medicine Sports Medicine. And this week's play comes from the Wellsville girls matchup against Wayland Cohocton. The pass by Wellsville's Rihanna Anderson. Watch this, one-handed bullet for the layup. Take another look. Our Matt Trabold got the video. Rihanna Anderson made the pass, and Wellsville gets the UR Medicine Sports Medicine Play of the Week. Hey,